Good morning. Today I want to discuss about problems on radius vector and tangent. So first problem, find the angle between radius vector and tangent and also find the slope of the tangent as indicated. The angle between radius vector and tangent is given by the formula tan pi is equal to r into d theta by dr. So is given in that equation r value is given. So you have to find out the tan pi. How to find out the tan pi means, so given equation you have to differentiate r with respect to theta. For differentiation given problem you have to take log on both sides. So already you know, so log r is equal to log a plus log of 1 plus cos theta. So for this one you have to differentiate with respect to theta. So what is the differentiation of log r? 1 by r dr by d theta is equal to a is a constant, log a is a constant, that becomes 0. So log of 1 plus cos theta is 1 over 1 plus cos theta, and the differentiation of 1 is 0 and cos theta is minus sin theta. So now you have to both sides you have to take reciprocal. So r into d theta by dr minus 1 plus cos theta divided by sin theta. So that is equal to 1 plus cos theta, formula already knows. So 2 cos square theta by 2 divided by sin theta can be written as 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. So here 2 becomes cancel, 1 cos theta becomes cancel, remaining cos theta by 2 divided by sin theta by 2, that is equal to minus cot theta by 2. So but in left hand side tan pi is there, my right hand side minus cot is there. So right hand side also we need what? Tan in terms of positive. So minus cot theta can be written as tan 90 plus theta. So tan 90 plus theta means second quadrant. So right hand side this can be written as tan of pi by 2 plus theta by 2. So therefore tan pi is equal to tan of pi by 2 plus theta by 2. So therefore pi is equal to pi by 2 plus theta by 2. So this is the angle between radius vector and tangent. And also in this problem you have to find out the slope. So we know that pi is equal to what? Pi by 2 plus theta by 6. So pi by 2 plus theta by 2. So theta by 2. So already is given in that problem. What is theta? So theta is equal to pi by 3. So that theta value substitute here. So pi by 2 plus theta by 2. Then we get pi is equal to pi by 2 plus pi by 6. So take LCM. LCM is 6. So then you simplify. 2 3s are 3 pi plus 6 1s are 6 pi. So 4 pi by 6. So simplify, we'll get 2 pi by 3. So 2 pi by 3 means 120 degree or 2 pi by 3. So we know that psi is equal to what? Theta plus pi. So what is theta? So theta already is given pi by 3 in that problem, plus pi value 2 pi by 3. So take LCM is 3. So 2 3 1s are 3. So pi plus 2 pi 3 pi. So 3 3 becomes cancel. So that is equal to pi. So already knows that formula, slope of the tangent is given by the formula tan psi. So what is psi? Psi angle. Psi is equal to theta plus pi. So that is pi. So tan psi is equal to, or tan pi is equal to 0. So slope of the tangent is equal to 0. This is the answer for this problem. Next problem. 2a by r is equal to 1 minus cos theta. At that point theta is equal to 2 pi by 3. Same thing for previous problem. So you take log on both sides. So log a by b type, log a minus log b. So log 2a minus log r is equal to log of 1 plus cos theta. So now you have to differentiate with respect to theta. So 2a is a constant, that becomes 0 minus. So log r 1 by r, you have to differentiate with respect to theta means dr by d theta is equal to log differentiation. So 1 over 1 minus cos theta and differentiation of minus cos theta plus sin theta. So now you take reciprocal and multiply it by minus sin throughout. So r into d theta by dr is equal to this minus sin here. So 1 minus cos theta divided by sin theta. So we know that 1 minus cos theta can be written as what? 2 sin square theta by 2, and sin theta can be written as 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. So 2 becomes cancel, 1 sin theta by 2 becomes cancel. What is the remaining? Minus tan theta by 2. So tan pi is equal to minus tan theta by 2, or pi is equal to what? Minus theta by 2. So given in that problem, theta is equal to 2 pi by 3. So now here what you get here? Pi is equal to what? Minus theta by 2. Substitute theta is equal to 2 pi by 3. So then what you get? Minus theta by 2. So minus theta is equal to 2 pi by 3. This 2 is there, you have to write. So that is equal to minus 2 pi by 3. This one 2 by 1 you take numerator, 1 by 2. So 2 becomes cancel. So therefore pi is equal to minus pi by 3. So we know that psi is equal to what? Theta plus pi. What is theta? 2 pi by 3 minus pi is equal to what? So plus, so minus pi by 3. So now we have to simplify. We take LCM. What is the LCM? 3 is the LCM. So 2 pi minus pi. So 2 pi minus pi is pi by 3. So we know that tan psi is equal to what? Slope. Tan psi is equal to what? Pi by 3. So pi by 3 means 180 by 3. So that is equal to 60 degree. So what is the value of tan 60 degree? That is equal to root 3. So this is the answer. See here how to remember that values for sine, cos and tan. So here the table 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. So here sine 0 0, sine 30 off, sine 45 1 by root 2, sine 60 root 3 by 2, sine 90 is 1. Similarly cos 0 1 and cos 30 root 3 by 2, cos 45 degree 1 by root 2, cos 60 1 by 2, cos 90 0. See here 0 of 1 by root 2 root 3 by 2 1 is there, no, here 0 of means reverse process. So now tan means sine by cos. So 0 by 1. So that is equal to 0. So 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. 1 by root 3. Tan 30. 1 by root 3. So tan 45. 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2. 1. Tan 60. Sine 60 by cos 60. Root 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2. Root 3. So next tan 90. So sine 90 1. Cos 90 0. 1 by 0 is infinity. So next, angle of intersection of two polar curves. So how to find out the angle between two polar curves? So here this is the one polar curve. Next we take another polar curve. So we take r is equal to f of theta, one polar curve, and r is equal to f2 of theta, another polar curve. So how to find out the angle between these two polar curves means we will draw a tangent of that first polar curve t1 and draw a tangent t2 with the second polar curve. So this is x-axis and this is y-axis. So we take the point of intersection of the two curves is p of r comma theta. So now here tangent 1 and T1 and T2 are the tangents made from first curve and second curve. So angle between these two lines is theta. So you have to find out the angle between two lines here. So that meaning is two polar curves is there. So directly is not possible. That's why you have to write a tangent. So afterwards we can find out the angle between two lines. That becomes angle between two polar curves. So here angle of intersection of two curves. So that formula is modulus of pi 2 minus pi 1 or pi 1 minus pi 2. What is pi 1? Angle between radius vector and tangent for the first curve. What is pi 2? Angle between the radius vector and tangent to the second curve. So the angle between the two curves means two lines is equal to 90. So that meaning is pi by 2. Then we say that the two curves intersects orthogonally or intersect perpendicular. So r tan pi 1 into tan pi 2 is equal to minus 1. What is tan pi 1? Slope of the first curve. What is tan pi 2? Slope of the second curve. So means m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. So that shows what? Angle between two curves is 90 degree. So now we can take that problem. Show that the following pairs of curves intersect orthogonally. So orthogonally means angle between the two curves is 90 degree. We have to prove. So first problem, first curve r is equal to a into 1 plus cos theta, and next curve r is equal to b into 1 minus cos theta. So now from first curve you have to find out the pi 1 value. So how to find out pi 1 value? First you take log on both sides. So log r is equal to log a plus log of 1 plus cos theta. So for this one you have to differentiate with respect to theta. What is the differentiation of log r? So that is 1 by r dr by d theta. And what is the differentiation of log a? So a is a constant, log a is constant, that becomes 0. And what is the differentiation of log of 1 plus cos theta? 1 over 1 plus cos theta, and 1 becomes 0, cos theta becomes minus sin theta. So here take reciprocal r into d theta by dr. So right hand side also you have to take reciprocal, minus sin you have to write as it is. So 1 plus cos theta divided by sin theta minus. So 1 plus cos theta can be written as 2 cos square theta by 2, and sin theta can be written as 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. So 2 becomes cancel, 1 cos theta by 2 cos theta becomes cancel. What is the remaining? Cos by sin, that is minus cot theta by 2. So left hand side tan pi 1 represents what? First curve, tan pi 1 for first curve. Right hand side minus cot is there. How to write in terms of tan? So tan 90 plus theta. So that's why tan of pi by 2 plus theta by 2. So therefore pi 1 is equal to what? Pi by 2 plus theta by 2. Next curve. So r is equal to b into 1 minus cos theta. So here also you have to find out the pi 2. So take log on both sides. So log r is equal to log b plus log of 1 minus cos theta. So differentiate with respect to theta. So log r differentiation 1 by r dr by d theta. So b is a constant, log b is a constant, that becomes 0. So log differentiation 1 over 1 minus cos theta, and differentiation of 1 is 0, minus cos theta becomes plus sin theta. So now you take reciprocal on both sides. So r d theta by dr is equal to what? 1 minus cos theta divided by sin theta. So simplification already knows that formula, 1 minus cos theta can be written as what? 2 sin square theta by 2, and how to write sin theta? 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. So 2 becomes cancel, 1 sin theta by 2, 1 sin theta by 2 cancel. What is the remaining? Sin theta by 2 divided by cos theta by 2, that is equal to tan theta by 2. So left hand side tan pi 2, right hand side tan theta by 2. So therefore pi 2 is equal to what? Theta by 2. So now we know that formula, angle of intersection of two curves is given by modulus of pi 1 minus pi 2. So pi 1 means angle between radius vector and tangent for the first curve. What is the answer? Pi by 2 plus theta by 2 minus pi 2. Answer is theta by 2. So plus theta by 2 minus theta by 2 cancel, we'll get pi by 2. So angle of intersection of two curves is pi by 2. That shows what? Two curves intersect orthogonally, or two curves perpendicular to each other. So this is the answer for this problem. So next problem, r power of n equals a power of n cos n theta, and r power of n equals b power of n sin n theta. So you take first curve, r power of n equals a power of n cos n theta. So take log on both sides. What? Log r power of n can be written as n log r. So log a power of n can be written as n log a plus log of cos n theta. Now differentiate with respect to theta. So n constant you have to write as it is, log r differentiation 1 by r into dr by d theta. So n log a constant, that becomes 0. So log differentiation 1 over cos n theta, and cos n theta differentiation minus n sin n theta. So here left hand side 1n is there, and right hand side left hand side n becomes cancel. So take reciprocal, r into d theta by dr is equal to minus, you have to write as it is, cos n theta divided by sin n theta. So cos by sin is what? Cot with minus sin. Now left hand side tan is there, right hand side minus cot is there. How to write in terms of tan? Tan 90 plus theta. So that's why tan pi by 2 plus n theta. So tan pi 1 is equal to tan of pi by 2 plus n theta. So therefore pi 1 is equal to what? Pi by 2 plus n theta. So next you have to consider next curve. What is the next curve? R power of n equals b power of n sin n theta. So take log on both sides. So what is the log of r power of n? That can be written as n log r. That is equal to log b power of n log b plus log sin n theta. So now you have to differentiate with respect to what? Theta. N constant you have to write as it is. Log r differentiation 1 by r into dr by d theta. So n log b constant, that becomes 0. Here log differentiation 1 over sin n theta, and sin n theta differentiation cos n theta into n. So here left hand side n, right hand side n cancel. So now we take reciprocal r into d theta by dr. Here also sin n theta by cos n theta. So we know sin by cos, that is equal to what? Tan n theta. So what is left hand side? Tan pi 2. Tan pi 2 means what? For second curve. So tan pi 2 is equal to tan n theta. So therefore pi 2 is equal to what? N theta. So now what is the formula? Angle of intersection of two curves. So that is equal to modulus of pi 1 minus pi 2. So pi 1, what is the answer? Pi by 2 plus n theta. And what is the answer for pi 2? N theta. So plus n theta minus n theta, that becomes cancel. So therefore pi by 2. So pi 1 minus pi 2 is equal to pi by 2. That shows what? Two curves cuts orthogonally. This is the answer for this problem. Next, find the angle of intersection of the following pairs of curves. So here we have to find out the angle between two curves. Previous problems, what? Angle between two curves is 90 degree out to show. Here is not like that. What is the angle between two curves? So first problem, r is equal to a into 1 minus cos theta, and second curve r is equal to 2a into cos theta. So r is equal to a into 1 minus cos theta. So we take log on both sides. What to get? Log r is equal to log a plus log of 1 minus cos theta. So differentiate with respect to theta. What to get? 1 by r dr by d theta is equal to sin theta 1 over 1 minus cos theta. Then differentiate. What to get? Minus cos theta, that becomes plus sin theta, because cos theta differentiation is minus sin theta. So minus minus plus. So now take reciprocal r into d theta by dr. So that is equal to what we get? 1 minus cos theta divided by sin theta. So already knows 1 minus cos theta can be written as what? 2 sin square theta by 2 divided by sin theta can be written as 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. So now 2 becomes cancel. 1 sin theta by 2 cancel. So what is the remaining? Sin theta by 2 divided by cos theta by 2 is tan theta by 2. That first curve. So pi 1 is equal to what? Pi 1 is equal to theta by 2. Similarly, you have to find out for second curve. So take log on both sides. So log r is equal to log 2a plus log cos theta. So differentiate with respect to theta. What is the differentiation of log r? 1 by r dr by d theta, and log 2a constant, that becomes 0. Log cos theta 1 over cos theta. So cos theta differentiation minus sin theta. So now take reciprocal on both sides. So what do we get? R d theta by dr is equal to minus sin, you have to write as it is, cos theta by sin theta, that is equal to minus cot theta. So here for second curve you have to take tan pi 2. So minus cot theta is there, you have to write in terms of plus tan. So tan 90 plus theta. So tan 90 plus theta is minus cot theta. So therefore pi 2 is equal to what? Pi by 2 plus theta. So angle between two curves is given by the formula pi 1 minus pi 2 modulus. What is pi 1? Theta by 2 minus pi 2 minus of pi by 2 plus theta. Remove that bracket, what to get? Minus pi by 2 minus theta. So simplify here. So theta by 2 minus theta by 2 minus pi by 2. Or we take minus sign outside. So then what to get? Pi by 2 plus theta by 2. So modulus of minus is what? So plus. So that's why pi 1 minus pi 2 is equal to pi by 2 plus theta by 2. So question is, find the angle between two curves. So this is not a final answer because theta is there. You have to remove this theta. How to remove this theta? Because angle between two curves means theta as it is means this is not a final answer. You have to remove theta terms. How to remove theta terms? So solve given equations. What is the given equation? First equation r equals a into 1 minus cos theta, and second equation r is equal to 2a cos theta. See, from these two equations, what is LHS? R. Here also R. When LHS are equal, then automatically RHS also equal. So what is the RHS? A into 1 minus cos theta, and here 2a cos theta. Simplify this one. How to simplify? So here multiply a into 1 a minus a cos theta is equal to 2a cos theta. So here minus cos theta, we take right hand side, we get plus a cos theta. So a is equal to 3a cos theta, or a becomes cancel, or cos theta is equal to what? 1 by 3, and theta is equal to what? Cos inverse of 1 by 3. So now this theta value you have to substitute here. So modulus of pi 1 minus pi 2 is equal to pi by 2 plus theta by 2. So pi by 2 plus theta by 2. Theta means what? Cos inverse of 1 by 3. So by 2 is there, 1 by 2 cos inverse of 1 by 3. So modulus of pi 1 minus pi 2 means angle between two curves is pi by 2 plus 1 by 2 cos inverse of 1 by 3 is the answer. Next problem. R is equal to a theta and R is equal to a by theta. So this is the first curve, this is the second curve. So for first curve, take log on both sides. Log R is equal to log A plus log theta. So differentiate with respect to theta. So what is the differentiation of log R? 1 by R dr by d theta. Log A constant becomes 0. So log theta differentiation 1 by theta. So here take reciprocal on both sides. What you get? R into d theta by dr. So right hand side what to get? Theta. Reciprocal. So this is for first curve. So that's why we take tan pi 1 is equal to theta. So tan pi 1 is equal to theta. We can't write pi 1 is equal to theta because right hand side only theta is there. Previous problem in terms of tan is there, then you have to write pi 1 is equal to. But here this problem tan pi 1 is equal to theta only. Next, second curve. What is the second curve? R is equal to a by theta. Take log on both sides. So log R is equal to log A minus log theta. How it becomes? Log A by B. Log A minus log B. So differentiate with respect to theta. So log R 1 by R dr by d theta, and log A differentiation is 0 minus log theta differentiation 1 by theta. So take reciprocal on both sides. So R d theta by dr is equal to minus theta. So how to write left hand side? So for second curve, tan pi 2 is equal to minus theta. So tan pi 2 is equal to minus theta. So now we will get tan pi 1 and tan pi 2. But we want to what? Angle between two polar curves. So how to solve or how to find out? So now solve the given two equations. What is the given two equations? R is equal to a theta and R is equal to a by theta. So what is LHS? R. When LHS are same, RHS must be same. What is RHS? First equation a theta and second equation a by theta. So here a becomes cancelled and cross multiply, theta square is equal to 1, then theta is equal to what? Plus or minus 1. So when theta is equal to 1, so what about tan pi 1? So tan pi 1 is equal to theta. When theta is equal to 1, what? Tan pi 1 is equal to 1. And what is tan pi 2? Theta is equal to 1. Tan pi 2 is equal to minus theta. So therefore tan pi 2 is equal to minus 1. Similarly, when theta is equal to minus 1. So tan pi 1 is equal to what? Minus 1. And what is tan pi 2? Minus 1. Minus 1. Then we'll get plus 1. So we know that one formula. Tan pi 1 into tan pi 2. What is the answer? 1 into minus 1. That is equal to minus 1. So that meaning is m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. Therefore, the two curves cuts orthogonally. So next problem. R is equal to a theta divided by 1 plus theta and R is equal to a divided by 1 plus theta square. So here also same thing. Take log on both sides. So log R is equal to log a theta. Actually this is whole thing is log a by b. Log a minus log b. And the numerator a theta is there, no? So a theta means log ab. Log a plus log b means log a plus log theta minus log 1 plus theta. So differentiate with respect to theta. So what to get? Log r differentiation 1 by r dr by d theta. So log a constant 0. So here log theta differentiation 1 by theta minus log 1 plus theta differentiation 1 over 1 plus theta. Simplify this right hand side. What is the LCM? Theta into 1 plus theta. So theta cancel 1 plus theta minus 1 plus theta cancel theta. So now plus theta minus theta cancel. So then what is the remaining? 1 over theta into 1 plus theta. So now you have to take reciprocal on both sides. So r d theta by dr. So denominator theta into 1 plus theta is there now. Now this becomes what? Numerator theta into 1 plus theta. So how to write LHS? Tan pi 1. Why to write tan pi 1? Why to write pi 1? This is the first curve. So therefore theta into 1 theta plus theta square. So tan pi 1 will get some answer. That's all. This is not a pi value. Next, second equation. What is the second equation? R is equal to a divided by 1 plus theta square. So take log on both sides. Log r is equal to log a by b. Log a minus log b means log a minus log of 1 plus theta square. See, log r is equal to log a minus log of 1 plus theta square. So differentiate. What is the differentiation of log r? 1 by r dr by d theta is equal to log a constant 0 minus 1 over 1 plus theta square. 1 becomes 0. Theta square is 2 theta. So now take reciprocal r into d theta by dr is equal to minus 1 plus theta square divided by 2 theta. So now left hand side, this can be written as what? Tan pi 2 for second curve minus 1 plus theta square divided by 2 theta. So we know tan pi 1 and tan pi 2. So now from given equations. So what is the given equations? Here r is equal to a theta over 1 plus theta and r is equal to a over 1 plus theta square. So LHS what is there? R. When LHS are equal, RHS must be equal. So RHS a theta over 1 plus theta is equal to a over 1 plus theta square. So cross multiply a theta into 1 plus theta square, that is equal to a into 1 plus theta. Multiply a theta into 1 a theta plus a theta into theta square a theta cube is equal to a plus a theta. So left hand side a theta and a theta becomes cancel, a becomes cancel. So therefore theta cube is equal to what? 1. So therefore theta is equal to 1. Theta is equal to 1. Now tan pi 1 is equal to what? Theta plus theta square. At theta is equal to 1, what we get here? 1 plus 1, that is 2. So therefore tan pi 1 is equal to 2. Next, tan pi 2 minus 1 plus theta square divided by 2 theta. When theta is equal to 1, what happen here? 1 plus 1, 2 divided by 2. 2 becomes cancel. So with minus sign. So tan pi 2 is equal to minus 1. So we know that tan of pi 1 minus pi 2 is equal to what? Tan of pi 1 minus tan pi 2 divided by 1 plus tan pi 1 into tan pi 2. So what is the value for tan pi 1? Is 2 minus tan pi 2, that is minus 1 divided by 1 plus tan pi 1. Tan pi 1 is 2 and tan pi 2 is minus 1. So simplify 2 minus of the minus 1 plus 1. So 2 plus 1, 3 divided by 1 minus 2, minus 1. So that's why you can write minus 3. So pi 1 minus pi 2 is equal to what? So left hand side tan of pi 1 minus pi 2 is equal to what? Minus 3. Or pi 1 minus pi 2 is equal to tan inverse of minus 3. So we know that tan of minus theta is equal to what? Minus tan theta. So modulus of minus tan theta, that is equal to plus tan theta. So that's why pi 1 minus pi 2 is equal to modulus of tan inverse of minus 3 minus tan inverse of 3. So that's why this becomes plus. So angle between two curves is tan inverse of 3 is the answer. So you take that assignment, do it these two problems. Find the angle between two curves. So first problem, r equals a into 1 plus cos theta and r square is equal to a square cos 2 theta. And second problem, r is equal to 6 cos theta and r is equal to 2 into 1 plus cos theta. So next video will start length perpendicular from pole to the tangent.